Hey guys, I'm doing this video in English because I felt that people who actually own a Tesla might find this video useful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the AC cabin filter for your Tesla. Mine is a Tesla Model Y 2023 version, but I'm pretty sure that, the procedure is more or less the same for the other models. This I got from Amazon for $25. If you're getting it from Tesla, it is $70. Alright, so this comes up with two filters. Your Tesla actually needs two. And you are supposed to change the AC filter every 2 years or whenever you feel that, some kind of a bad smell or a foul smell coming out of the AC vent. You don't need to be a DIY guy to do this. It's pretty straightforward. The filter actually comes up with a set of tools. One to pry open the side panel, and this is kind of a screwdriver. If you have power tools with you, good. Let's dive into the video. I've included the product link in the description of this video. The wiper blades that you see on the screen, I got it from AutoZone. If you want to know how to replace the wiper blades, I have posted another video for that. Please feel free to check it out. Let's remove the floor mat and push the passenger seat back. I used the prying tool that came up with the filter. Let's first pry open the side panel. Let's use the pry tool to gently pull the panel towards you. Gently work your way from the back to the front. There is a bunch of plastic clips that is holding the side panel, so if you hear a tick sound, don't worry about it. Make sure all those plastic clips comes up with the side panel, otherwise you will see some plastic clips falling inside the hollow space. If it does, make sure that you pick all of them, otherwise you will hear some rattling noise coming out of nowhere, because I'm very sensitive to such noise, I go crazy. And it also helps you to put back the side panel together, because if you lose one or two plastic clips, it's okay, but if you lose the side clips, they will not fit properly. Next, you have to use a flat screwdriver to open the 3 screws that is there under the glow box. It's a plastic trim which holds the footwell light and the speaker. You don't have to disconnect those cables, you can just leave it aside. Remove the screw and you can see the small plastic door coming off. You can use the tab on the side of the filter to pull them out. Keep in mind the second filter is at the bottom, so you may have to work your way to find the side tab, and then it's kind of a little challenging to pull the second one out, but it's not that complicated. There should be a marking in the filter which shows which side is the air inlet. That should face the front of the car. This is very important. When you insert the first filter, it's going to slide down, and the next one is going to sit on top of that. Now let's put back everything. We are done with changing the cabin air filter for the Tesla Model Y. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.